Welcome to our track session here. We're going to be talking about rope tracks and some alternate tracks and some methods of tracks, why you would use them, moreover, how they're going to make you money. Most importantly, on this bench you're going to see some alternate styles of track. You're going to see some tooling. You're going to see some radiuses that we're going to use that'll explain perhaps some easier one-man operations to fix the tracks. The most important tool on this bench is this book here, written by my friend Steve Zane. Thanks for joining us, Steve.
Thank you, Neil.
You're very welcome. You must have a copy of this book in your shop. It will genuinely make you a lot of money, and thank you for writing it. What brought you to write this book? Your second book? Your first book?
Second book, yeah. It took me 12 years to put that one together. I had a fascination with tracks and the way they can be utilized on boats, and
terrific.
You know, a lot of research, a lot of traveling to boat shows and stuff like that, talking to people like yourself and getting ideas what they use. So.
It really has changed the way that people think about covers. So congratulations. I know you and I didn't invent these tracks.
Nope.
We've been able to adapt them and make them work for our business, but it really has managed a huge shift in the way that people perceive the way that they can manufacture covers. What we're going to do today, we're going to bring David Elliott in shortly, but Steve, thanks for joining us, and thank you most importantly on behalf of the whole industry for writing that book for us.
Neil, thank you, man.
No worries at all.
Pleasure.
Thanks, buddy.